Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Following Campaign Finance Money tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to use the Non-Committee Expenditures search. Starting from mec.mo.gov, scroll to the bottom of the Commission's homepage where you will find a box labeled Searches. The Non-Committee Expenditures search allows you to view reports filed by those not defined as a committee. Individuals, businesses, and other groups not defined as a committee who make expenditures totaling $500 or more in support of or in opposition to candidates or ballot measures file a non-committee expenditure report detailing the money spent. Simply select a report year from the drop-down menu to see a list of all non-committee expenditure reports filed during the year. As you can see, the results include a link to view a PDF of the report, the date the report was scanned by the MEC, the report year, and the name of the non-committee filing the report. To view an expenditure report, select the View link. To learn more about the non-committee, select its name. You will be taken to a summary page for the individual, business, or group. This concludes our Following Campaign Finance Money tutorial series. You can find links and other helpful resources in the description of this video. Subscribe now to be notified as new tutorials become available. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.